This video provides information on how to change the status on a transaction. Click on Transaction History. The Transaction History page will display a current status under the Change Status column. The Change Status column displays buttons titled with the action allowed to change the transaction's current status. To pay a transaction currently set to return, click the Pay button. The current status will change to Pay User, and a message will briefly appear in the Manage column. The check will be paid. The Transaction History page will display with the updated information. The transaction now has a Return button. To return a transaction currently set to pay, click the Return button. A list of options will appear. Select the correct option and click Save. The Transaction History page will display with the updated information. The Check will be returned message disappears after a few seconds. The transaction now has a Pay button. It's important to note that a transaction in a return status when the end-of-day cutoff time passes will no longer be eligible to pay.